Hi, Eleanor. Oh, are you upside down? Are you dressed like a boy today? A little bit. Here's Tigger. Tigger makes you go crazy. Ready?
I'm gonna bounce.
Okay, you get up on your knees, and you're all happy, and then we turn on Tigger,
I'm gonna bounce.
and then you put it on your face, and she gets down and she kicks like it's her job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. You're crawling, you're crawling, you're crawling. Oh, nope, he didn't start. He didn't start. Ready?
I'm gonna bounce. Nonsense, what teams do best.
Good job. Good job, Eleanor. Should we do it one more time?
I'm gonna bounce.
Yes.